In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up label printing in the Entrance app with a Brother printer and how to handle both manual printing and QR-based check-ins step by step. Labels are generated automatically and include basic participant details and a QR code. These can be printed and attached to pre-prepared badges. The check-in process starts. Once you log into your organizer account, you'll see a list of your events, current, future, all. Go ahead and select the event where you want to manage check-ins. Next, turn on the Brother label printer. We need to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. On the printer, open the menu, navigate to WLAN with the arrow buttons, and turn it on. Next, set the network mode to infrastructure. Then, go into Infra Manual Settings. Choose your network and enter the password. The printer is now ready for pairing. Now, open the Entrance app, go to the settings in the top left corner, tap on Select or Change Printer, and select your printer. After selecting it, choose your paper size. The paper size needs to correspond to the paper roll inserted into the printer. The typical size is 62 millimeters. You can also enable auto cut if you want the labels to be cut automatically. And if you prefer slightly larger labels, you can switch to landscape mode. Now for printing. If you want to print manually, open the participant list from the bottom bar, select a participant, and tap Print Badge. If you'd rather automate this, go to Settings in the top left corner. In the Printer section, enable Print Badge automatically after checking in. Now for the check-in. The participant will need to present you with a QR code, which you scan inside the Entrance app. You can change the location from which you're checking in at the top. After scanning the code, the participant is checked in and the label will be automatically printed out. Participants can obtain their QR code through 3 different methods: downloading the b2match mobile app, accessing the QR code from the pre-prepared badge you created using our badge editor feature, receiving the QR code via email sent through the Organizers tool. When the label is printed, stick it to the pre-prepared badge. The badge is now ready, and the participant can network effortlessly at your event. And that's it! You're all set up for smooth check-ins and label printing with the Entrance app.